welcome back. My name is Rumi and today I'm going to be sharing with you my first ever Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing video. So recently I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos where YouTubers are showing their Ipsy Glam Bag. So I decided to give it a try and here I am with my first ever Ipsy Glam Bag. But for those of you guys who don't know what is a Ipsy Glam Bag, let me give you a brief idea. So Ipsy Glam Bag is a beauty subscription service where each month you pay $10 and you get 5 full-size or deluxe size products, beauty products to be precise. And yeah, so I'm really excited to show you guys what all I got for my first ever Ipsy Glam Bag. And so yeah, this is my glam bag and now I'm going to open it. There. So here I see my first glam bag and it says, "And off she went to change the world." And as you guys can see, this is a very beautiful rose gold cosmetic bag. And now let me go ahead and show you what all is inside this bag. So the first thing which I see is a card from Ipsy and it says it's National Women's History Month. To celebrate, we loaded up your March glam bag with female founded brands and girl boss staples. So when I open this card, they have like all the products mentioned which I got in this Ipsy Glam Bag, which I'm definitely not going to show you guys because I want to like surprise you guys. So let me go ahead and show you one by one. So the first product which I see is a leave-in cream conditioner from Fleming Glow and it is 1 fluoride ounces and this is sulfate and paraben free. Oh wow. So let me go ahead and see. It smells amazing. It has a very beautiful fruity smell to it and I am really excited to try this. So it says, "Glam queens know your hair is your crown, so infuse it with what it needs to be healthy, shiny and full of life. Say goodbye to frizz and flyaways with our Fleming Glow leave-in conditioner." So this has unique biotin enhanced formula which nourishes, hydrates and detangles hair while making it more manageable. So yeah, this is a really good product and I'm really excited to try this. The next thing which I see is a Shimmer Square Powder Highlighter from Lottie, London. And now let me go ahead and show you how it looks from inside. So that is a very beautiful highlighter. It has little bit peachy shade to it which I really like and I'm so excited to try this. Wow. And the next thing which I see is from Tarte. Oh wow. So this is the Tarte Voluptuous Mascara and it is 4.5 ml or 0.15 fluid ounces. There. I really love mascaras and I'm really surprised that in their March box, in their March glam bag, Ipsy has put a Tarte mascara. Oh wow. Let me go ahead and open it for you guys. There. Oh my god. Look at it, guys. It looks so good. I'm really excited to try it. And I'm really surprised how Ipsy did it because Tarte products, as you guys might be knowing, they're like quite expensive. And for a $10 bag, I would say this is a very good product. So the next thing which I see is a lip lustre from Tarte, London. I have never used this brand, but I am definitely excited to try this. It is in the shade Wildfire, and it looks like this. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. So there it is. It is a lip gloss and with a very beautiful pinkish shimmer to it. I really like it. So beautiful. And it's a mini size, so yeah, definitely you can just pop it into your bag and carry it. Such a nice lip gloss. And the last but not the least product is from Space Case Cosmetics, and it is their Hombre Eyeshadow. Oh wow, first of all I would like to bring to your notice the packaging, guys. It looks so beautiful. See? Wow. And now let me go ahead and open it for you guys. Oh wow, this is a very beautiful green shade and it looks like this. That is some eyeshadow, guys. Look at it, the color. It's so pretty. Oh my god, look at it, guys. Such a beautiful green shade. I have never tried this shade, but I'm really excited to try this. So when you sign up for Ipsy, you have to fill up a beauty quiz wherein they ask you your eye color, your hair color, your complexion, and what products are you interested in. So just fill out so when you just fill out the beauty quiz, they personalize these products, and then they send you all these products in a glam bag like this. So these are my 5 products. So I chose, so when I filled my beauty quiz, I chose eyeshadows because I am quite into eyeshadows. I like to play with eyeshadows. So this is a quite different color of eyeshadow which I don't have, and I'm definitely excited to try this. And as you guys might be knowing, I really love hair care products, and so this leave-in conditioner will be the next thing which I'm definitely going to try. And so yeah, I'm really happy with the March glam bag. And again, the third product, which was a Tarte mascara. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful, amazing mascara. It looks so good. As you guys might be seeing the bristles, they look so like well done. I really want to try this. And the next thing is a lip gloss. I am really into lip products. I love lipsticks, but I don't have a lot of lip glosses. So yeah, this is the so this one I'm sure I'll be enjoying to the fullest. And last but not the least, the highlighter. Again, such a beautiful shade. So these are all the 5 products which I got in my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of March, and I'm really excited to try all of these. And I'm really happy with my first ever Ipsy Glam bag. So for $10, I would say where you're getting 5 amazing beauty products which are like deluxe size or even full size, I would say this is a very good deal. And I would definitely, and I am definitely in love with my first ever glam bag. I'm definitely excited to see what I get in the next month. So if you guys are interested, I will link the sign up link for the Ipsy Glam bag in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. And so yeah, let me know in the comment section below, do you have a Ipsy Glam bag subscription, and if you do, what all did you got in your Ipsy Glam bag? I would be really excited to know what all you got. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, Give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Yeah, until next time, bye bye and have a beautiful day ahead.